Gemini, my air babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Bad health is big business. I'm here to put them out of business. Head swelling, PTSD, stroke, anxiety, depression, mental illness, physical ailments are at an all-time high, plaguing us at the age of an all-time low. I'm here to heal that with my Fountain of Youth technique. But before that, your word of the day is transformation. This is confirmation that you are becoming a new being. Continue to grow. You found a new gift. You found a new talent. You found a new attitude, a new way to walk, a new way to talk. Our bodies are magnets. Whatever we put out, that's what we draw in. However we feel and choose to reside in whichever energy is what comes in. Resentment, guilt, anger, hurt. That's going to bring lessons, trials, tribulations, and obstacles where we're going to learn how to let those things go. Let go and let God. And then take in all positive energy, happiness, love, joy, prosperity, optimism of great things are happening. Blessings come that way. And that's where you're in the place of right now. I'm constantly evolving and improve inwardly by working on my weaknesses, refining my strengths. Refining your strengths, and the great thing, you're finding weaknesses and not crumbling to them, but you're also working on them. Therefore, you turn your weaknesses into strengths, you strengthen your strengths, and you become an all-powerful being and unstoppable where you're not looking to survive. You're actually enjoying life and living. Life ensures that I'm presented with situations that help me learn and grow, and I'm aware of the progress and open up my wings to light. You understand that you're getting stronger. You understand that you're ready for more. You're ready for blessings. Blessings carry their own weight, but you're ready for them, and it will not feel like a ball and chain on those rain, sleet, or snow days. It'll feel like a feather because you put in the work. You'll maintain and enjoy living, not just sustaining. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. And please like, share, comment, and subscribe. This page has been a blessing to you. I love you.